Welcome to the 5 Stars YouTube channel. In today's video we be looking at the top 5 best white noise machines. As always, link to all products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. This top does not reflect my own opinion, but is based on the recommendations of experts in the market and consumers' feedback. Without further ado, let's get started.
Introducing the LectroFan Micro, a sound machine with a twist. Enjoy better sleep and portable audio. Use it around the house, or take it with you on the road. LectroFan Micro offers 10 unique non-looping digital sounds for great sleep, and Bluetooth audio playback. Using pure white noise, LectroFan Micro raises the disturbance threshold, masking intrusive sounds. For sleep, relaxation, study, and speech privacy, LectroFan Micro, a sound machine with a twist.
Mother shusher. Go, 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 go. Yes! Sorry. Mother shusher.
Set the perfect mood for sleep and relaxation with the Wave Sleep Therapy Machine from Pure Enrichment. This natural solution helps facilitate a more restful night's sleep, while the elegant contemporary design complements any decor. With 6 seamlessly looping sound settings, including white noise, fan, rain, ocean, streams, and summer night, distractions will disappear as you gently escape into a peaceful environment that supports rest and rejuvenation. While you sleep, Wave's convenient built-in USB port provides fast charging of auxiliary devices, including smartphones and tablets. The optional auto-off timer promotes energy efficiency with 15, 30, and 60-minute settings. And the removable stand makes Wave ideal for travel and is easy to set up. You'll sleep well knowing that Wave is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 5-year warranty. The Wave Sleep Therapy Sound Machine from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the quality of your night's rest.
I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more video like this in the futures. And if you have any question about this video, leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. See you soon.